Heal me, O Lord, I come broken again, tired from the battle, worn by the pain. You see the wounds no one else can see. Whisper to my soul, you're still my child. Come to me.